Today I'm doing a what I eat in the day video on the Weight Watchers plan. If you'd like to see what I eat in the day on Weight Watchers plus a Walmart grocery haul, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm doing a what I eat in the day video from Florida. It's my first day back from the cruise, and I also including a Walmart haul. So if you'd like to see what I ate today, come on along and share the day with me. Well, I'm back in Florida. I'm doing a Walmart pickup. I thought I'd stop and get some things that I need to get started off from after the cruise. I needed to stock up on some healthy groceries. I'm starting the day off with a 1 point iced coffee on the road, and I'm at the Walmart grocery pickup. I'm going to get some food and I will share it with you later. Got to get back on the healthy eating track. My skin is peeling from tanning on the cruise, so hopefully we will start the week off right with some healthy meals and tracking again. Okay, here's my small Walmart haul I did for a grocery pickup so I can get started on some healthy eating. I got some chicken breasts, which are always as good for making any low point meals. I like to get this 96% fat-free, all-natural ground beef. This is way lower in points. You could use it for anything that you use regular ground beef for, except it's way lower in points. I got some pork chops. I'm going to marinate them in some fat-free Italian dressing and put them on the grill. These Thomas's light multi-grain English muffins are 2 points each. I like to make breakfast sandwiches out of them. Some Sara Lee Delightful white bread is the easy access white bread that I use. It's 1 point per slice. This Black Label fully cooked original bacon is 1 point for 2 slices, and it's really good. I use it for anything I need bacon for. These La Banderita carb counter lean tortillas are 1 point a piece, and I'm going to make some fajitas out of them. 18 eggs, 0 points. Expensive, but great for Weight Watchers. I got this fat-free zesty Italian for marinating my pork chops or chicken. Rayo's homemade marinara sauce. This is 3 points for a half a cup. It's really good, and it's a good, if you don't make your own marinara sauce, this is a good substitute. Some I Can't Believe It's Not Butter Light carrots, minced garlic, a bag of onions. I had 2 different kinds of fajitas seasoning mix to make my fajitas. Light Miracle Whip. I'm making a recipe by Emily Bites for American Goulash, so I needed some seasoned salt. Bag of frozen mixed vegetables. A can of corn. 4 peppers for my fajitas, yellow, red, and green. A package of this lean white turkey. It is smoked. It tastes like bologna. It is 2 points for 3 slices. And I got 2 boxes of this long grain and wild rice. 6 points for 1 cup cooked. Some elbow macaroni that I'm going to use in my American Goulash recipe. Some diced tomatoes. I got 2 cans of that. And 2 cans of tomato sauce. And then I picked up at another store this black raspberry fruit spread. It is 100% from fruit. I had some on the cruise and it was really good. I haven't had black raspberry in a long time. And this is 45 calories for 1 tablespoon. So it's probably about 3 points, but I will put the points on the screen. And then I saw some of this True Fruit. This is coconut melts. It is 150 calories for a 1/4 cup. And I think that would be about 4 points, but I'll put the points on the screen. And there's different flavors of this, and I wanted to try it, so this is what I got. And that's all I have for today's grocery haul to get me started back on my healthy eating. And there's my breakfast. Well, after I got back from Walmart, I made a English muffin sandwich with a 0-point egg, 2-point piece of worth of American cheese, and the bacon that I bought for 1 point. So this breakfast sandwich is 5 points, and it's really good, real easy. Today I'm gonna go in the pool, get some steps, do some swimming, get some exercise in. Nice, beautiful day in Florida today. For lunch, I am having a smoked turkey sandwich. It is like bologna. It's have mustard and some light mayo on it, on 2 pieces of Sara Lee white bread, and that sandwich is going to be 5 points, and then 2 points worth of pretzel rods. So this is a 7-point lunch. I'm making some American goulash. It's an Emily Bites recipe. Sorry for the fog. I am just browning some meat, the 96% fat-free meat, with some onions and garlic. Once the meat was browned, I added onions and garlic, and then I added 2 cans of tomato sauce, 2 cans of diced tomato, paprika, bay leaf, Italian seasoning, soy sauce, and some Lawry's seasoned salt. And I'll put the link to recipe below, but this is really good. I'm going to simmer this for about 20 minutes, and then it will cook the pasta noodles right in it, and it is really tasty. Like I said, I have done a cook with me before on this, so I'll link it below. I'll also link Emily Bites recipe. There's my American goulash dinner for tonight. That is a 9-point serving. I have 2 pieces of Sara Lee Delightful bread with 1 point of light butter. So that dinner is 12 points. I'm going to have 3 of these for a snack. 1/4 cup is 9, and I'm going to go with 3 of these for 4 points. They're chocolate-covered coconut melts. True. So that's going to be the end of my What I Ate in the Day video. I ended the day using 29 Weight Watcher points. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.